Hi, first grade friends. Oh, wait, let me take this off. Now you can see me better. Today for our math lesson, we're going to be talking about the learning target. I can describe adding one more by using 5 groups to keep me organized. We're going to talk about what that means, and we're going to use a new math tool today. It's on the back of the green math tool you've been using with your number bond. So today when she asks you to get your math journal and dry erase board, you don't need those. You just need your math tool, and you're going to be on this side today. This is called a 10 frame, and you're going to be on the 10 frame side. You're also going to need your marker again and your eraser, so make sure you have those before you push start on step 2 of the lesson. Another thing that I want you to know, she has you write out a full sentence today. You can use this little blank spot right here along the bottom to write that sentence. Make sure that you use your best handwriting and copy from hers so you have it spelled correctly. And then when you erase, just be careful. You might want to leave that sentence there and just erase the one number. That will make it easier to not have to rewrite it every time. And as always, at the end, she's going to ask you to do an exit ticket, a little brain check. Do that on your board, but don't worry about uploading it to Seesaw because we don't have Seesaw. So just do it and make sure you check your brain. And then we'll come back and we'll see each other in part 3, just like last time. See you soon.